In the previous lesson, you've learned how to create your Unity account, and now you're going to learn how to actually download the Unity Hub and install it and configure it and all that jazz. So actually, just click the download button in the Unity website and it will prompt you to, hey, that's a spoiler for one of our VFX packs. All right, so let's just download it into downloads right here. And then the Unity Hub setup.exe, which is an executable file for Windows. On Mac, it's going to be a different type of file, I guess. I'm not a Mac user, so I can't help you with that. I'm sure you'll figure it out. Let's just download it there. And there it is, the Unity Hub setup. Double click. Okay, so the Unity terms of service are there. You should read those for sure. And then accept and install it there and program files Unity Hub. In my case, it's already active, so I'm not gonna finish with the installation, but that's just as simple as it gets. Unity Hub has just been installed, and now we need to sign in. So this window will pop up asking you to sign in. If you haven't signed in already, let's just sign in again. And once that happens, it's gonna ask you to open the Unity Hub. I would highly recommend that you check this box here that says always allow Unity to open up links of this type. And that's just gonna make Unity's life much easier. I'm not gonna go into the technicities of why, but that will help you a lot. So just click that and then open the Unity Hub. Told ya, as we were just opening the Unity Hub, we were asked to get a Unity personal license. So you need an active license to use Unity by agreeing to the terms of below, blah, 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 blah. So disagree. Can you imagine? Agree. All right. So now you own personal license, which doesn't mean anything besides the fact that if you make money creating a game using Unity, you'll need to pay them. I don't know how, because I've never made a game using Unity and never released it to the public, but yeah, that's it. So this is the Unity Hub. Welcome. You're going to spend a lot of time here. And so the way you configure this is just Unity Hub is like an application that allows you to get to know like the projects that you have, which version are they using, the last time you modified those, and if that project is connected to the cloud, which is not necessary at all. I never use this feature. You're not going to be needing to use it either way. And there's the name of the project, where it is located inside your computer, and yeah, you can start it maybe so it's a favorite project of yours, so you can just set it to favorites. And it's a pretty easy to use interface. Overall, it's super clean, super sleek, so you won't have any issues learning how to use that. The first thing that I would suggest you doing is installing a Unity version. And you won't be able to create the project if you don't have a Unity version, or you could maybe add a Unity project because you can download a Unity project from the internet and then have it on your downloads folder, but you need to tell the Unity Hub, hey, I have this project, please open it up. So you need to click here on the add button and then add that project. And so it will be added up into this list of projects here. There's a couple more tabs that you might find interesting here on the Unity Hub. So this is the account settings. You can sign out, and then on the Unity website, you can sign into another account. So maybe you're gonna switch from your personal account to your maybe company account. I don't know, but that's the way that's intended to be used. And then the preferences, which is the basic project location in which the Unity Hub will be checking for projects. If you never want Unity Hub to ask you, hey, do you really want to remove this project? Because it's always asking you that, just in case you might be removing it accidentally. Once you do that, once you actually remove a project from a list, you'll be prompted like, hey, never ask me again, but today, because maybe tomorrow you'll have another accident, because we are all humans. So yeah, and then we have the installs tab, and then the learn tab, which I never used, but maybe you could for some reason, and then the community tab. Never used that one either. So you mostly will be using the installs tab, not the official releases or the pre-releases. I never use those either. But here at the top right corner, you'll find the locate. So this makes it so if you install a Unity version from the Unity download archive and install it using just Windows and not the Unity Hub, you'll need to locate it, and then the Unity Hub will be able to recognize it. And then install editor will make it so you can install editors. But that's just for the next lesson. I really hope you had something enlightened on your mind by seeing this lesson, which was super hard to get a grasp on. But yeah, I really hope that it was useful from some of you, because I know some of you guys are just learning from scratch and never have ever touched Unity or any other kind of program like that, and it can be daunting. So I'm sending you good vibes. Like, you've got my support, and keep working on it. You're gonna do it, right? Believe me. So see you in the next lesson. Bye. Bye.